Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Magnus, and it finally happened. R81 is now the default and widely recommended version. This actually happened on Wednesday, July 28, 2021. And it's regarding R81 together with the latest HFA. And in this case, it's 36. And when something is widely recommended and default for all deployments and so on, first of all, it will now be available within CPUs. So you will see it, and it will be a lot easier for people to actually upgrade to R81 without downloading the package separately. Now it will be present within the portal. And it's not like R81 is so new. It was actually released in October 2020. So this has been out for a few months, actually quite a lot of months. So October, that's 9 months now, almost 8. And then you also have the EA program and so on. So some people has been using R81, I would say, for a year. So Checkpoint now has enough customers, they have enough data, they have enough production traffic running through R81 gateways and management servers, so they feel confident enough for having it as recommended and default version for all deployments and all new upgrades and so on. So this is a big step, and this is a big step because it's a major version. And R81 has actually been working quite good. I have been running it for a few months within the management stations, and I really like it. I haven't actually upgraded any production gateways to R81 yet, because I'm a bit more conservative and I'm using a lot of VSX. And when it comes to VSX, I try to keep it, well, I'll wait a few releases before I do something. But more or less, R81 consists of a lot new features because it's, as I said, a major release. If you want to see, I have a full video regarding it. But the main thing that I see personally, well, it's the central deployment, meaning you have a GUI where you can upgrade your gateways. And this is regarding hotfixes, major releases, and it works for normal clusters and VSX, and it works really good. So this is a features that I really like. And this is why I've already upgraded a few of my MDSs to R81, meaning the management servers. In regards to gateways, well, there is a lot of new features there as well. And the main thing that I think people will like is the policy installation, because it goes a lot faster. I mean, we're talking about going from minutes to installing a security policy if it's a lot of rules and a firewall that handles a lot of traffic, to seconds. So this is really nice, and I'm really looking forward to actually upgrade a few gateways, but I personally will wait a few hotfixes more. Maybe within October, November, we're planning to upgrade the first gateways to R81. So as I said, we are a bit more conservative. When it comes to normal clusters not running VSX, I would upgrade a few already, because it should be stable enough, and it's now recommended. And when it comes to recommended and so on, this is nothing that Checkpoint takes on lightly. So they need to see enough adaptation and real adaptation within the field, meaning they need to see enough, well, traffic going through their boxes before they actually put something as recommended. Keep in mind, Checkpoint has a lot of large customers like service providers or bank Fortune 500 companies. And upgrading something is a major task. And now when you can do it more automated, meaning that you can upgrade hundreds of gateways really quick, it really needs to work. So I think this is why Checkpoint waited a while more, because R81 includes, well, a lot of changes for people coming from, let's say, R80.10. Hopefully they had upgrade already to R8040, but people are a bit slow to upgrade. Also me. We're running most of our stuff in R8030, but we're running the 3.10 kernel. But, well, I see this as a great step. And if you want to read more about the release terminologies, it's then SK95746. It has more information, like when does Checkpoint actually consider something to be EA, GA, and default version. And I also have a video regarding it, so you can check that out up in the description above or below, I don't know, somewhere. And don't forget, it's always including the latest general availability hotfix. So you shouldn't just install R81, you should install R81 plus the latest GA hotfix. Currently that's 36. And 36 sounds a bit low, but there is actually like a comparison chart between the different versions, like how do they align, which fixes do they actually include. And if you see here, so R8040 Jumbo Take 118 is the same as R81 Jumbo Hotfix Take 34. And R81 Jumbo Hotfix Take 34 is the same as the new R80.10 GA. But the new versions includes new features, so of course there will be bugs and fixes that needs to be done. And if you check like on a HFA list for R8030, the number is 200 something. So there will come new jumbo hotfixes, there will be some bugs. Hopefully the major and most critical stuff are out of the way, because now it's recommended and recommended for all deployments. This include VSX, this include gateways, this include management stations. I don't know about SP. I'm not so good in SP. When it comes to like the HFAs for R81, you can see them in the SK170114. And just scroll down and you can see all the fixes that has been done. And now when it comes to jumbo hot fixes, you see they add new things. So it's not only fixes, it's actually new features. Not so big ones, but it's still features that is added within a jumbo hotfix. And there also is a list like which fixes are planned to be released within the next jumbo hotfix. So you can see here list of upcoming resolved issues. So there are fixes that is planned for a new, well, take or a jumbo hotfix that will be released to R81. And if you see something here that is like, yeah, I have this issue, or I'm depending on this one, maybe you should wait a little bit more, or just contact like the support, and then you can get the private hotfix. So I think this is it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. And for you that has been on the channel for a while, yes, I did shave my head because, well, I have very little hair on my head, so it's time to go bald. And well, I hope it fits. Let's see. My wife haven't seen it yet, so it will be well, a surprise. But I think it looks okay. It looks better than before. So take care.